First, go to groq.com. That's Groq.com. Click on this red link at the top that says sign into Groq. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. And you can sign up with your email address, or you can log in with your Google account. If you use your email address, it's going to send you an email with a link that you'll need to click on in order to sign in. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in right now. And once you're signed in, you'll see this page. In the top right corner, you'll see Llama 3.8b right here, which is the default language model. If you click on that, you can change to another model such as Llama 370b, this one right above it. The 8b and the 7b here are the number of parameters that the model was trained on, the b being billions, and therefore the size of the model. The smaller one, the default one, the 8b, is going to run a lot faster. And in my experience, it gives great results on everything I've tested it on. So I'm gonna leave this at 8b. To give your chatbot a specific role, you can click on the gear icon in the top right, and this system prompt dialog box drops down. I'm going to paste into here a prompt that I've been using to tell this chatbot to help me learn Spanish. You are a Spanish tutor teaching a native English speaker. He is currently at B1 level, yada, yada, yada. So this gives it the instructions on what it needs to do to help me as the user of this chatbot. And then I just click save, and that locks it in. And now you can go ahead and use this model. Simply type into the box here that says message anything that you want. In my case, I'm gonna have a Spanish lesson with my tutor. Enjoy.